and welcome to the CoHost feature spotlight on episode consumption. I'm so excited to show you this feature today. If you decide to enable this feature in your account, you'll find it under Show Analytics on the fourth tab beside Audience Profile over here. And essentially how this works is you can see all of your episodes here, the release date, the duration of the episode, and then we have rate and listen time. Rate is the percentage of which a listener listened to your episode on Apple and Spotify. It gives this to you automatically in their Apple Podcast account, which is where we're pulling it from. Spotify gives you listen time, so we convert it into a percentage for you. Weighted average over here is the weighted average between Apple and Spotify based on the number of listeners that you have in your Apple and your Spotify accounts. For listen time, if we toggle over here, you can see the actual time that the listeners listened and the weighted average from both Apple and Spotify. This is a great tool to understand how engaged your listeners are and where you could potentially make improvements in your content. If you wanted to select a date, keep in mind that these are based on all-time days. So you can select a date up to a certain point. So for example, if I selected March 7th, that would be my all-time consumption rate up to March 7th for Apple and Spotify. Here and download this as a CSV as well. Really excited for you to explore this feature. Let us know if you have any questions.